Hey guys, this is Andrew with Decker's Pondscapes, and today is another Tech Tip Tuesday. So what we're gonna do today is actually what had happened was Kyle and I were at a clean out and we noticed that one of these pump screens was broken. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to identify a broken pump screen, and then we're gonna teach you how to replace it. All right, so here is our customer's Aquascape Pro 5PL solids handling pump. Now, when we got this pump out this morning for the clean out, we noticed that the casing for the impeller was completely broken off. So this might happen during your winterization process. When you try to pull out those pumps, you might nick it on the side of your skimmer, and you might actually break it off. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to replace this with a brand new housing. So here's the replacement screen cover for your impeller. Now notice that it's got a lip on the end and it's in one full piece, unlike what we found this morning. So we're gonna replace this. And the first step we're gonna do is we're actually going to take this off and unscrew it. And how you do that is you're gonna unscrew it by these 4 screws right over here in all 4 corners. And all you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Now that it's completely unscrewed, it should be nice and easy to just take it off like that. Okay, so one of the first things we're gonna wanna do is make sure that we have our O-ring on our pump. So I'm gonna place that right around the pump, just like that. Now what that's gonna do is ensure that you have a watertight seal on your pump. So now that the O-ring is on our pump, we're gonna take our new cover for the impeller and we're gonna slide it on over the impeller itself and line it up with the screw holes. Now what I like to do to make it easier is I usually start at the top. So I'm gonna take the 2 screws for the top and slide them into place. And then what I'll do is go nice and gentle. We're not gonna screw them in all the way just yet. We just wanna get it so that this cover sits nice. So now that I've got the top 2 screws in, it's gonna make it much easier to get these bottom 2 screws lined up and screwed in as well. And I'm just gonna go around, tighten everything up. All right, guys, that's been another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you find this kind of stuff useful, please follow, subscribe, like our post, comment in the comment section, and don't forget, enjoy your families.